One developer and one line of code. That was all it took for entire businesses to collapse. This is the real story of how a single keystroke cost companies millions, took down websites, and made IT departments everywhere cry in the shower. You ever accidentally delete a file and feel like your soul left your body? Now imagine that, but instead of a file, it's half the internet. In 2017, an AWS engineer ran the command rm-rf / on a production server. For those of you lucky enough to never have seen it, this command is the Linux equivalent of setting your entire house on fire because you wanted to get rid of a spider. No confirmation, no undo button, just instant destruction. The result? Critical servers went down, businesses lost money, and thousands of developers stared blankly at their terminals wondering if this was the day they finally switched careers. But AWS wasn't the only victim of a catastrophic one-liner. Let's talk about Knight Capital, the company that managed to lose $440 million in 45 minutes because of one missing flag in a deployment script. Here's what happened. Their trading algorithm, which was supposed to make money, instead started buying high and selling low, millions of times per second. This wasn't just a bad trade. This was the financial equivalent of setting your wallet on fire and throwing it into the ocean. Within the hour, Knight Capital went bankrupt, all because of a single line of bad code. Imagine explaining that to your boss. Hey, so we accidentally deleted the company. My bad. Why do these things keep happening? Because modern infrastructure is basically a house of cards built on top of a Jenga tower, balanced on a single toothpick. Your code isn't just your code. It's sitting on 10,000 dependencies, all maintained by unpaid devs who wrote them in 2014 and then disappeared. If one tiny piece breaks, the whole system collapses like a badly managed group project. But what's the real lesson here? Well, simple. One line of code can cost millions, so maybe, just maybe, double check before you hit deploy. Or you know what? I need more content anyway. So go ahead, push to prod without testing. Just remember, if the internet goes down because of you, we will find you, and we will meme you forever. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.